in Portmore. Beautiful day. I come bearing gifts, as usual, because it's almost Christmas. We're here to see Venetia. So just follow me. Venetia hide half her, so don't worry about that. Follow me. How are you, Venetia?
I'm okay.
Merry Christmas. We have a gift for you.
Thank you.
You hear that? Venetia love gifts.
Yeah.
Okay, so you like giving gifts too?
Sometimes.
Got the best receivers should be givers as well, you know. Sometimes.
Yeah.
Say I'm a gift for me today.
No, not today. Maybe
You don't give today?
No,
Okay, but I come bearing gifts. I don't know. We should have been exchanging, you know, like what them call it? When you have a co-worker and something and you share something. Yeah.
What them call it? Potluck.
Pixie.
Or
Yeah.
You never know that type of something.
You never know. Okay,
No,
you gotta have something for me next time.
Next time you have something for me.
Remember, wanting to hear, bear witness. Venetia's gonna have something for me next time. Alright? And I like expensive gifts and she don't have a problem with spending her money from good man. Right? Venetia, you make me dry out this morning.
Alright then.
Alright. You've been good though.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Looking forward to the holidays?
So far,
Yeah, plan for the holidays.
Let's spend time with family and friends.
Also, that's what it means to your family and friends.
Food and no food.
No food.
Yeah.
Okay.
No only for food. All
Cake with the
different
rum?
type of food. All different type of food.
Oh gosh.
And no food.
All different kind of food. No food.
Yeah.
Venetia not fat still, no? Well, that not really means, but anyway. she get the picture. Anyway, pleasure doing business with you. I'm looking forward to do more business with you. And make sure this is a time of giving, so I want to give good recommendation to your friends and family. That will take care of you. We'll bring it to your doorstep.
No
Alright?
problem.
Anything you want to say to them? Can I come and say to them? You see me like use my good smile? Venetia get shy! Alright, I'm not getting no more trouble. Anything you want to say, just say it now. I'm going to leave you alone today.
Well, Island Shipper. It's my first time. but
First time?
My first time, and I don't have a problem with it.
Nice.
I would recommend it to anybody.
So you like how I
And
take it to you?
everybody, And I like how you, yeah.
You like my smile?
I'm like your smile and everything. Alright then.
Venetia, pleasure. Have a good one, alright?
Same here.
Alright. There you have it. It don't matter what day of the week, we're coming to get you and we're taking your package. It's Christmas. Oh ho ho. Peace.